Hi, my name is Ben Bettenhausen, and I'm the founder of Squid Sports. Right now, we're manufacturing our brand new product, the Squid Throw. The Squid Throw has been designed with the rope assembly in the ball so players can hold an actual ball and feel it. As they throw and go through the throwing motion, they're able to improve their arm slot, they're able to build muscle memory, they're actually able to learn, improve, and maintain their throwing and get in the reps that they need to stay confident on the field. So originally, when we were doing this and producing our prototypes, we were using a hand glue system here, and it took a lot of time to do this. I just want to show what we had to go through in the beginning to do a ball. It took an amazing amount of time, and the accuracy was just not there as far as getting the right amount of glue in here so that you didn't overflow the glue. It was quite difficult to analyze everything. And then putting the rope in, making sure that you're not getting too much glue and burning your hand backwards, like right there, too much glue came out. So you have to wipe this, clean this. It was a lot of work just to get one ball done. When we decided to go with EconoMelt, we also decided to go with the automated system here, which has been really amazing. You can set up how much glue, and you can time by time and pressure how much it dispenses out at one time. And it's pretty easy to use. Basically on the command here, you select your program and you move over to how many seconds you want, and you can scale this up or you can scale this down. And you can adjust it on the fly. It really works great. And it allows me to get the exact amount of glue that I want in this production process when we're gluing the rope assembly into the ball. If I don't have the same amount of glue, or if it varies, it's going to make my job very difficult. So having this set up exactly as we need is a tremendous time saver. We are producing the Squid right here in New York City, and each of these are made by hand, presently by myself. And we are using a very strong compound that is all tested and safe, organic, and this compound and the strength of this withstands up to 500 pounds of pressure pulling out. So the squids themselves are going to have a lot of years of functionality and use. Most importantly, we really want to make sure that whatever product we put out, the Squid Sports puts out into the market, is safe. We want to make sure it's dependable. We want to make sure that players and athletes can just focus on what's important, and that's getting in the reps that they need. So enjoy your Squid. Thank you again.